Welcome. This is the manufacturing floor. This is where we bottle our finished goods. In this area, we receive the samples from each of the lines. We receive test samples and we receive retain samples. We are dividing them up into the test samples that will go up to the lab and the retain samples that will be stored out in our warehouse. Another part of our responsibility is to randomly go to each line and just do random checks. We check for any label deficiencies. We also check for the cap placement, make sure that the tamper seal is in good condition, it's not broken. Another part of our inspection process is what we call an acceptable quality limit inspection. We randomly select about 4 work orders per day, and we will open up random boxes and we'll do a more extensive inspection. We do this inspection to make sure that everything that the production team has deemed good is actually conforming. If the product that we are inspecting here fails, then it'll go through a review board.